In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Zoho CRM, mass email setup. Whether you're sending an announcement, a newsletter, or follow-ups, this walkthrough will show you the fastest, cleanest way to reach many contacts at once, while keeping everything organized and compliant. First, open Zoho CRM and land on the home page. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace and that your email sending permissions are enabled. It's always a good idea to keep your sending reputation healthy, so plan to message people who have opted in and keep your content relevant to them. Next, head over to Contacts. You'll see your list view with search, filters, and columns. Select the people you want to email by ticking the checkboxes beside their names. You can pick a handful, select the entire page, or refine the list first so you're targeting exactly the right segment. Take a moment to confirm that the selected records have valid email addresses and that you're not including test or inactive records. With your contacts selected, click Send Email. This opens the email composer and shows you the count of recipients. If anything looks off, you can close the composer, adjust your selection, and try again. Now, choose how you want to craft the message. You can pick an existing template, which is perfect for branded, reusable layouts, or create a new one on the spot. Templates help you keep consistent headers, footers, and legal text, and they save time whenever you run similar campaigns. If you're building from scratch, write a clear subject line, lead with the most important information, and keep paragraphs short for readability. Compose your email body and, if your template supports it, add personalization tokens like first name to make the message feel tailored. Avoid spammy phrases, overusing images, or excessive links, and make sure every link is correct. If you attach files, keep them small and relevant since large attachments can trigger filters or slow delivery. When everything looks good, click Send. Zoho CRM will queue and dispatch an individual email to each selected contact, and you'll be able to review engagement later from the related records or reports. Be mindful of your organization's daily sending limits and regional regulations. If you're reaching a very large audience, consider spacing messages to protect deliverability. That's it. You've just set up and sent a professional mass email in Zoho CRM.